Our project focuses on designing a secure and scalable network architecture for a healthcare facility, ensuring seamless communication across the hospital headquarters, diagnostic clinic, and specialty care clinic. We implemented a fully optimized topology using VLSM, centralized DHCP, and EIGRP dynamic routing to support efficient IP management and fast convergence. All routers and switches were configured with proper interfaces, DHCP pools, relay agents, routing protocols, and security features to protect sensitive medical data. Finally, we validated the network through connectivity tests, DHCP assignments, EIGRP neighbor checks, and failover simulations, confirming that the system remains stable and reliable even under failure scenarios.
In this project, we engineered an interconnected network for LifeTech Medical Center that links the hospital HQ with the St. Kerubin and St. John clinics using a structured VLSM-based addressing scheme. We deployed centralized DHCP services at the HQ and enabled DHCP relay on both branches to streamline IP allocations across all locations. To maintain efficient routing and rapid path recovery, we implemented EIGRP and configured all devices with secure access controls.
Our testing phase involved validating IP assignments, verifying EIGRP neighbor formation, and performing trace route and ping operations across every department and branch. We also simulated router and link failures to confirm that the network can automatically adapt without interrupting clinical operations. The final result is a stable, scalable, and secure infrastructure capable of supporting the organization's electronic health records, lab systems, and real-time communication requirements. Uy, ulitin